Hello guys, so welcome to our review of the Blue Hotel Smart Krabi Hotel, which is located in Thailand. This hotel promises a blend of modern comfort and convenience. So let's dive in and see what makes this place special. So as you arrive at Blue Hotel Smart Krabi, you will be greeted by the sleek contemporary drink. The hotel modern design is evident from the moment you step into the spacious lobby, which is both stylish and welcoming. The check-in process is efficient and the staff is friendly, ensuring you feel right at home. So for those who are crazy about the swimming pool, so this hotel also provides a stunning ground floor swimming pool with a very good view. The rooms at Blue Hotel Smart are the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. So my room was the deluxe, which was swimming pool view room. So this room have a comfortable bed, high-speed Wi-Fi and the smart TV. And the in-suite bathrooms are equipped with the rain shower and the high-quality toiletries. This pool view was my favorite part. So guys, one of the biggest advantage of staying at Blue Hotel Krabi Hotel is the prime location. The hotel is just a short walk away from the Ao Nang beach, where you can enjoy the sun, sea and sand. Additionally, there are plenty of shops and restaurants and bars nearby, so you can explore them also. For those interested in the adventure, the hotel can arrange a variety of excursions including islands hopping tours, snorkeling trips and visit of the famous Railway Beach. This hotel have the rooftop restaurant which have the Thai cuisine to international favorites. The breakfast buffet is particularly the noteworthy thing over here. The wide selection of fresh fruits, pastries and hot dishes to start your day for off-right. सो गाइज मूविंग अहेड, दिस इज़ अ टेरेस एरिया. बेसिकली यहाँ से जो व्यू दिखता है वो आपको अंडमान सी का दिख जाएगा एंड यू विल फील लाइक कि आप मनाली में हो. हिल स्टेशन काइंड ऑफ व्यू दिखता है यहाँ से. So now the most interesting part is that this property also offers you the infinity rooftop pool with the very good panoramic views of surrounding mountains and Andaman Sea, and also have the bar on the rooftop which provides you the variety of drinks and soft drinks. Overall, this is an adult property where kids are not allowed and you can spend your time freely. ऑल्सो यहाँ पे इंडियंस भी बहुत कम आते हैं, बट आपको यहाँ पे इंडियन फूड नहीं मिलेगा. यू हैव टू गो आउट फॉर द रेस्टोरेंट्स फॉर द इंडियन फूड इफ़ यू आर वेजिटेरियन. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो रेंट अ बाइक फ्रॉम हेयर ओनली. द होटल स्टाफ विल अरेंज फॉर यू. ओवरऑल माई रेटिंग इज़ 10 on 10. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.